Hi friends, welcome back to another puzzle mystery quilt. This is clue 7 in the fortune teller colorway. This is for Carnival, the fall 2023 quilt. There are two sets of blocks for this one. This is going to be 7A and this is going to be 7B. There's 4 of 7A and 1 of 7B, and I just want to let you know it took me about an hour and 20 minutes to get through this. There was some stopping. Actually, you'll notice at some point that my shirt changes, and I'm recording that portion on a completely different day because I didn't time manage myself well, and I got kind of hangry, so I had to stop. So just if you notice the shirt change, it's because it's a completely different day. Yeah, so I hope you like this new format. I'm going to go ahead and get into the inventory, and then we're going to do some speed sewing. I'm still trying to figure out how to intro each section, so please bear with me. It's a little rough, but anyways, I hope you like the tutorial. Please go ahead, like and subscribe. Likes and subscribes are free. They help the channel grow and help other people discover these tutorials that may be helpful for them on their puzzle mystery quilt journey. Anyways, let's get to it. I'll see you in a minute. Hi friends. So this is the setup for our fortune teller clue 7 in the large size. I apologize for the delay on this video. I had to have Cotton Cut send me a new clue because my original one got lost in the mail. She took a vacation and decided not to come to my house. So I got a new clue. It just arrived the other day along with my clue 8s. So we're doing both of the clue 7s. Those videos will be released kind of simultaneously with clue 8. So if you haven't done yours, don't worry, I'm behind too. But let's go through our inventory first. So what you should have in your clue is 14 of fabric A. And these are all in the small triangles. So 14 fabric A, 18 fabric B, 9 fabric C, 16 fabric D, 9 fabric E, and 10 fabric F in your small triangles. Then you should have 4 fabric A, 4 fabric B, and 4 fabric D in your larger triangles. You should have 2 small B rectangles. You should have 5 fabric A squares and 1 fabric D square. So let's get to sewing. Alright, so this is going to be the sewing portion for our fortune teller clue 7 in the large size. There are 2 sections for this, 7A and 7B. You will be making 4 blocks for 7A and 1 block for 7B. If you have done the small, it'll be slightly similar. Looks like 7B is the same for both the large and the small. There are a lot of pieces here. I can tell you that the small took me about 40 minutes. So this is probably going to take me longer, but again, I will have already said that at the beginning of the video, because I will tell you how long at the beginning that this took me. So again, this will be speed sewing. I'm not going to talk through it. I'm not going to give you directions on how to do it. Let me know what you think in the comments below. If you would like and subscribe, it really does help my videos and it helps the channel. If you have anything that you'd like to see, please let me know in the comments below. I try to respond to everybody's comments. So yeah, let's get to it. right, friends, this is the conclusion of Carnival Clue 7 in the Fortune Teller colorway, size large. I hope you like this video. A couple of things to note. In your 4 7A blocks, your seams here, in the directions, they don't nest. So 2 of my blocks I nested, 2 of my blocks I didn't. We'll figure out what happens later on, but these did not nest, and it kind of messed me up. I had to seam rip 1 block because I turned the arrows the other way. But yeah, just pay attention to that. I went ahead and nested my seams on a couple of them, so if that was the wrong thing to do, I guess I'll find that out when we put it together, when we get Clue 10. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. It really does help the channel. Also, don't forget to take a picture with your Flat Nancy and post it to the website. I am very behind on posting to the website, so I probably won't be in the running for the gift card. But if that's something that you want to do, please make sure you do it. And I welcome any feedback you have. Please leave a comment below, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!